Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through how to fix Apple TV remote not controlling volume. Fix 1. Factory reset the remote. Press and hold the TV control center button and the volume down button simultaneously for about 5 seconds, or until the status light on your Apple TV turns off and then on again. Release the buttons and wait 5 to 10 seconds for a connection loss notification to appear on your TV screen. Wait a few moments while your remote restarts. When the connected notification appears, you can use your remote. Fix 2. Check volume control settings. To check the volume control settings on your Apple TV, follow these steps. Go to Settings, Remotes and Devices, Volume Control on your Apple TV. Select the appropriate option based on your setup. Auto. This option will detect the best way to control the volume based on your configuration. IR. This option will control the volume of your TV or sound system using infrared signals. CEC. This option will control the level of your sound system via HDMI-CEC signals. Fix 3. Manually program the Siri remote or Apple TV remote. On your Apple TV 4K or Apple TV HD, go to Settings, Remotes and Devices, Volume Control. Select Learn New Device. Follow the on-screen steps to program your Siri remote or Apple TV remote to control volume for your television or receiver. Fix 4. Update Apple TV. Go to Settings, System, Software Updates on your Apple TV. Select Update Software. If there's an update, select Download and Install. Keep your Apple TV connected and plugged into power until the update is complete. Fix 5. Check HDMI-CEC settings. Go to Settings G, Remotes and Devices, Home Theater Control on your Apple TV. Select Control TVs and Receivers and choose On. Go to Volume Control and select Auto via HDMI, Receiver. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.